Hi there and welcome. In the previous class we have studied about pronoun. So we have discussed what is pronoun, what are the functions of pronouns, and we also came to know about the classification of pronouns, means what are the types of pronouns. So today we will discuss about the personal pronoun and possessive pronoun, means we will try to discuss how much type of pronoun we can cover, means if we can cover 2 or 3, so we will discuss about this type of pronouns. So first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. They are called the personal pronoun because they stand for person or thing. So they are called personal pronouns. So let me write here what are the personal pronouns. So I will write here first I, second we, you, they, he, she, and it. These pronouns means I, we, you, they, he, she, it. They are called personal pronouns because and they stand for 3 type of person. We can categorize them in 3 types of person they are used to. First is I and we are called first person. First person. And second you is called second person. And they, he, she, it, they are called third person. So when I say first person, second person, third person, what do I mean? I mean to say some pronoun come for the first person, means the person who is speaking something. The person who is speaking something. Suppose I am this time I am talking to you, I am speaking to you, so I am the first person. I am the first person and you are listening right now. You are listening right now, so you all are the second person. Suppose after some time someone of you or all of you ask me a question, then that time you will be the first person, means you will be we at that time. So you can say we want to ask something to you. So that at that time you will be the first person and I'll be the second person. So second person, the person whom you are talking to or speaking. So you is second person. They, he, she, it. They are called third person. Suppose I am talking about someone else who is not in the class. Suppose someone is coming to school and I am saying is he is coming to school. So he is not present between our talking, between our speak. I am talking, you are listening. He is the third person. So he is the third person pronoun. Like this, they are playing in the field. So we are talking about them. They are the third person. They are playing in the field. So third person, they is third person pronoun. Likewise she and it. These pronouns are third person pronoun. So all these pronouns personal pronouns because they stand for person or thing. They are used for three persons: first person, second person, third person, and they are likewise noun case. We have discussed the noun case, and we came to know the idea that the noun can be at the place of subject, at the place of object, and third place possessive case. So we will discuss about how these nouns can be placed in a sentence, means where these nouns can be placed in a sentence. So you should remember that pronouns are the words which are used at the place of pronoun. So these words also can be placed at the place of subject or at the place of object. So if these nouns come at the place of subject, so they will be called nominative case. In nominative case, nominative case, you also can say subjective case. Nominative case, also known as subjective case, means these nouns will always come at the place of subject. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Whenever you will use it, or or anyone who is speaking or writing English, if he try to use, or if he uses these type of pronouns, means the personal pronoun, he or she or they will use these pronouns at the place of the subject. If you want to use them at the place of object, then their form will slightly change. The I will become, so here I write objective case, and I will become me, we will become us, you will remain the same like you, and they become them, he become him, she becomes her, and it become it. It remains same. So if we want to use these personal pronouns at the place of object, so they will be called objective case. You can understand by them that the objective case of pronouns are here and subjective case of pronouns are here. If you want to use personal pronoun, so you have to use these pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, it at the place of subject as subject, and if you want to use them at the place of object, if the person is at the place of object, then you will use these pronouns at the place of object. Let's understand by some examples. Take screenshot or note down, pause the video and note down, or you can take a screenshot. Then let's go ahead. So now we will see by example. Suppose I write here, I want you to go now. So here the person who is speaking is the first person, so I is the first person pronoun. Here you is used as the place of objective case. So you is the second person. You already know that you has both the form same, means first person and second form person are same. So we have used it you here as object case, or here subjective case or nominative case. Subjective case, first person. So I want you to go now. In this sentence you can say I the subject and you is the object. So I is used as subjective and you is used as an object. So it is objective case. Let's come in second one. We told him to come here. So here we is subjective or you can say nominative, and him is a person, means this person can be someone Rashid and some name. So Rashid, for Rashid we can use he, but here Rashid came as an object. So objective form of he is him. So we have used here him. I hope you have understood now. Let's come for third person. Here the third person, he is playing in the park. So here the person who is speaking, the first person, and the person who is listening, the second person, but the person is talking about someone else. So he is the third person. Let's see another example. If I write here, I said she was resting in her room. So here I is subjective case, and in second sentence she is subjective case, and here her is in possessive case, which we will discuss after that video. So I hope you have understood now what is personal pronoun. You understood. So let's come to possessive pronoun. Next is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns. Second is possessive pronoun. So in noun case we have come to know the idea about possessive case. So like noun, pronouns are also placed at the place of possession. So they are, if something is related to some person, so we will use possessive pronoun. So these personal pronouns have third form they are called possessive pronoun. So there are two types actually. Type 1, you can divide them, type 1 and type 2. So I will write here possessive pronoun, possessive, and I can write here type 1 and type 2. So these personal pronouns means I write here I, here we, and here you, they, he, she, and it. So you know these are in nominative case. So we will come to know the possessive position, possessive case here, and we can divide it in two types. Number 1 type 1 and number 2 type 2. So the possessive case of I in type 1 is my, and type 2 is mine. For we, our, and here ours. You, second, here your, and here yours. They, their, and here theirs. Again he, his, and his would be same. Why? Because they ends at s, so if we add another s, that will be hish, the sound of snakes. So it is alright, it is okay to write it his, her, hers, its, and it is also its. So they are the a form of possessive case. I becomes my or mine, we becomes our or ours, you become your or yours, they become their or theirs, he become his or his, she become her or hers, and it become its and its. So how we can divide them in type 1 or type 2? There let me tell you one thing more, and you should notice it, that the first type of pronouns, type 1, my or your, their, his, her, its, they are also called determiners, and they are also possessive adjective. So how they will become possessive adjective, we will come to know. If they come before a noun, if they come before a noun, they will be called determiners or adjective. Like I write here my pen. So my is a determiner or adjective because it is referring to the pen, and that is a noun. What is an adjective? Which adds something to the noun. Adjective is which adds something to the noun, which refers to the noun. So my is referring to the pen, and it is telling that this pen is belong to someone who is I. Then my is the determiner or adjective. You can say her top, or school, so or my, her, or came here before the noun pen, top, school, so they are called determiners or adjective, possessive adjective. If they do not come with the noun, means before the noun, they are the second type of pronoun, and actually they are the pronoun, real pronoun or possessive, not they are, because they are actually the adjective, possessive adjective. Let me explain something else. If I write here, this is my pen, and one more sentence, this pen is mine. Watch very carefully, you will come to know what is an adjective and what is a pronoun. So here, this is the subject, is the verb, pen is an object, and this is a noun also. An object can be a thing, so thing is a noun. So before a noun there comes a, what is adjective? It is adjective. Always before a noun the word which comes is called adjective. So my is adjective here, or you can say determiner, adjective. But here this pen is the subject, subject is verb, and mine is object, or other word you can say. So at the place of object only noun or pronoun can come. So in this case mine is alone, there is no noun with mine, so mine is actually the pronoun, possessive pronoun. So they are called mine, ours, yours, theirs, his, hers, its. They are called possessive pronoun, and the above one, type 1, my, our, your, their, his, her, it, these pronouns always come before a noun, so they are called determiners or adjective. I hope you have understood now. If a noun comes with, if a pronoun comes with a noun, means before a noun, it will be called determiners or an adjective, or you can say type 1. They are categorized in type means possessive pronouns, but actually in performance, in practical life, they are called adjectives. The type 1 are called adjectives, and the type 2 are called pronouns. Actually they are the possessive pronouns. You can understand here. So I hope you have understood now. In next video we will cover two other nouns or two other pronouns. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.